My name is Kim Taylor. I'm the mother of 3 beautiful children, all of which had acid reflux and colic. I needed something that would help support my babies that also helped support me. I wanted to help make mom life easier. I couldn't find that product, so I decided to make it myself. The Mommy Wrap helps hold the baby upright, which is encouraged for acid reflux. It helps support them while nursing. It helps while you're burping the baby. It keeps them warm while you're wearing other carriers. And the best part is you can wear it without baby, just as a sweater. Mommy Wrap isn't 100% hands-free, but it does free up a hand for mom to take care of everything and everyone else. So if you're a mom, a grandma, a nanny, or know a mom-to-be, the Mommy Wrap makes mom life easier.